Homicide is never justified in a situation involving damaged electrical wires. Instead, focus on safely and effectively repairing the damage. Firstly, identify and label all damaged wires. This ensures you know exactly what needs attention and prevents accidental shocks. Secondly, carefully remove any drywall compound or paint that may interfere with the repair. Use a damp cloth to gently wipe away the materials without causing further damage to the wire insulation. Allow the wires to dry completely before proceeding. Thirdly, repair the damaged wires using appropriate techniques. Tape splices or pigtails are common methods. Ensure all repairs adhere to electrical codes. This is crucial for safety and to prevent future problems. When using tape splices, make sure the connection is mechanically and electrically sound before applying electrical tape. Overlap the tape layers to create a secure and watertight seal. When using pigtails, use appropriately sized wire connectors for a secure and reliable connection. Moving on to the covered boxes, carefully remove all compound and paint from the boxes using a damp cloth. Again, avoid excessive force that could further damage the wires. Allow the boxes to dry thoroughly before retucking the wires. Once the boxes are clean and dry, carefully retuck the wires back into the boxes, taking care not to damage them further. Neatly arrange the wires to ensure they are not stressed or pinched. It is generally not advisable to leave paint or compound on electrical wires. Over time, these materials can degrade the insulation and create potential fire hazards. It is best to remove all such materials as thoroughly as possible. Failure to remove these materials could lead to overheating, short circuits, or even electrical fires. It's also important to document the damage. Take photos or videos of the damaged wires and boxes before and after the repair. This documentation can be helpful when discussing the issue with the drywaller, general contractor, or insurance company. Inform the drywaller or general contractor about the damage. This allows them to address the issue with their crew and prevent future occurrences. Consider using a junction box to provide additional protection for the repaired wires if necessary. A junction box provides a secure enclosure for the connections and helps prevent them from being accidentally damaged. If the damage is widespread or severe, it may be necessary to have an electrician inspect and repair the system. A qualified electrician has the expertise and tools to safely and effectively address complex electrical issues. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to call a professional. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical wiring. Use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off before touching any wires. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses. Follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations. Doing so will ensure the safety and longevity of your electrical system. If unsure of any aspect, consult an electrician.